Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to talk about my first ever, or our first ever global event, Crop at Home. So it is July 11th through the 13th. It's the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We're going to spend the entire day together. There will be a schedule uploaded to the project folder. We'll break for lunch. We'll break for dinner. All right, and we will make a gorgeous project. I'm here to show you what you get in your kit. For those of you who signed up for the kit, those are sold out already. I want to show you what you're going to get. For those of you who signed up for the Crop at Home Global Event Only Digital, I'm going to show you what you need. All right, and for those of you who are on the fence, this may push you over the fence. You can still sign up to just attend the event and to pick up everything digitally. You'll get the digital paper collection. You will have to print that at home. You will have to cut out your embellishments, which is all win-win. Or you can make the project using whatever paper collection you want. All right, but this will give you an idea of what you need. There'll be a video of the project release in 3 days. So look out for that. Today is May 15th. So 3 days, guys, I'm going to show off the project just to keep you guys very excited. So if you'd like to sign up still, head on over to paperphenomenon.com and sign up for the first ever global event. It's going to be via Zoom, Crop at Home. We're going to hang out. We'll be able to see each other, which is the most exciting part about everything. And for those of you who picked up a kit, you'll get all sorts of goodies to make the project. So you also get private videos on how to make this project. So it will not only be the Zoom event or the live event on making this project. So if you want to make the project again at a later time, you don't have to watch all of the interaction. You get your private videos. For those of you who want to purchase the project only, you will be able to watch will not get access to the class. You'll be able to watch the videos with the cutting guide and the class videos the way I normally offer them. So it'll essentially be 3 offerings. The kit, which is sold out already, the digital version, which is attend the event and get the paper collection in a digital format, and the third one is just get the cutting guide and class combo. All right, so those will be the three ways that you can make the project. All right, the live event is going to be a party. All right, so we're gonna have a wonderful time, and it's 3 days, so we should be able to finish the project. You should be able to walk away from this with a gorgeous project. So without further ado, let me show you what comes in the kits. All right, guys, look at this gorgeousness. All right, so let's paper collection first. So we're using the English Tea Party paper collection. Listen, it's stunning. The colors are beautiful. The papers are gorgeous. So if this is your vibe, oh boy, are you gonna love this collection. Okay, it's gorgeous. Look at that. I'm not gonna go through the entire thing because I want this video to be short and sweet. Right, but it is gorgeous. The collection comes with your embellishments and pocket cards. Everything is in here. When you get your kit, you're going to take your embellishment sheets out and you're going to cut all of your embellishments out. Right, these are all, believe it or not, this is in here. All right, you're going to cut everything out. You're going to grab your cutting guide and you're going to cut your cardstock and your chipboard to size. All right, let's show you. So you get your chipboard, your cardstock. What you do not see here is cheesecloth, twine, magnets, and eyelets. All right, you don't see that here, but you get all of that. You get a stamp. Look at this gorgeous stamp set. It's beautiful, guys. I can't wait to show you that all done up. You get these 2 envelopes with black tags in it. I love the matching envelope with the tag. You get this pouch that we're going to actually put in the album. You also get the hardware. All right, so here's the hardware right here. It is stunning. So you get the hardware with your brads, and you get some embellishments that are gorgeous. And I put them in this cute little pouch. We're not gonna do anything with this, but if you want to stick it in your album, you can. All right. This spoon, my friends, look at this spoon. This is going on our cover. Then we get this gorgeous bookmark. Look at that. It's stunning. The color of the cabochon will vary. You get the tea kettle charm. You also get this little timepiece charm. And you get this gorgeous functional teapot. Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous and it matches back to the collection. Just so perfect. And I can't wait to share the project with you guys. You get your P3 tape and your roll of Maker Basics 3/8 inch tape. All right. So lots of goodies, guys, coming your way. And of course, the things that you do not see here. The project is gorgeous and I can't wait to share it with you all. It's just going to be a showstopper. Just look at these embellishments and just imagine how gorgeous this project is going to be. So all of this headed your way. For those of you who picked up my kit already, who picked up this kit already, look out for a shipping notice, all right? Because these kits are shipping next week, guys. Next week. Did I say the cardstock? Cardstock color we're using is going to be the craft color, all right? It's just, the project is going to be amazing. So look out for your shipping notice and then look out for your kits because they're headed your way. This event is July 11th through the 13th. Go ahead and sign up, even if you missed out on the kit and you could not get the kit for whatever reason. You get the paper digitally. You can print it yourself, or you can use whatever paper collection you want. It's for the experience. The fact that we're going to be able to see each other, it's amazing. The fact that we will be able to have our contest. Let me talk to you about the contest. I want to do a decorate your space contest. You can wear a fascinator. You're part of the decorate your space. So you can dress up for the event and then, we'll slip into our jammies after the winner is announced. There will be a fantastic prize, which is worth just the price of admission. And in your kit, again, something else I didn't show you, you're going to get a paper teapot that I'd like you to put together, and it should be part of your decor for those of you who picked up a kit. If you did not pick up a kit, that's okay. You can make your own or make your own decor. So to enter the contest, you do not have to be someone who purchased a kit. Everybody that is in the global event, the Crop at Home event, will be entered into the contest if you choose to participate and decorate your space. If you don't choose to participate, that is also okay. All right, no big deal. So there'll be some more prizes and stuff, giveaways during the event. It's going to be fun, guys. 3 days, 3 freaking days of crafting. If there's something that I have learned throughout my years with so many things that have gone on, especially as of late, is do something you love. Community is important. Hanging out with people that have your same interests, that love doing the same things, is so important to our overall well-being. So I highly encourage you to attend just for the experience. I think it's going to be a fantastic time, and we get to craft, which is doing what we love. So I hope to see you all during the live event, July 11th through the 13th. There's still an opportunity to sign up on paperphenomenon.com. If you cannot attend the one in July, I have another one, another global event, Crop at Home event in August. So you can check that out also on my website. Those kits are already sold out as well, but you can still attend the event and pick everything up digitally. I will see you all during the live event, July 11th through the 13th. I'll also see you sooner than that. But yeah, it's going to be fantastic, guys. So stay tuned for more information, and I will see you all then. Bye.